Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So I already have my base on because you guys have seen me do my foundation tons of times. I mean, look at all of this. It's the same thing every single time, but after a long wait, I'm here to present you this Giselle makeup tutorial. A lot of people have been requesting this for years. It's a really expensive cosplay, guys, so I went all out for you. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna jump straight into it. So from the pictures and videos, I'm not really too crazy about the makeup because it's too simple. So I'm going to kind of switch it up. For the eyes, I'm going to be using the Sailor Moon palette. I know that's weird, they're from two different universes, but this palette has all the shades I'm looking for. So we're going to keep it simple but pretty. But before we use the Sailor Moon palette, I just want to prep the eye. Just take a beige eyeshadow like this, and we are just going to prep that all over the eyes. Now that we got our eyes all prepped, what I'm doing now is for the crease, before I go in with a nice pink shade, I'm going to take the color, it's called Twilight Flash, right here and just run that on my crease. Now the next color I'm going to take is called Moon Castle. We're going to take a lot of that and then also define the crease like so. And I thought long and hard about this, and I want to keep the eye look mostly matte with a pop of shine in the inner corner. I was going to put a shiny lid, but I felt like Giselle is more of a matte eye girl. So we're just gonna keep her matte. Sorry to disappoint if you guys wanted a shiny lid. I was thinking shiny at first, and then as I was, okay, car, thank you. As I was doing my eyeshadow, I realized I didn't want that anymore. So I just love how it looks matte. See, pretty and subtle, and she was subtle, so she didn't wear too much makeup. Now load that crease with that moon color, Moon Castle color, or a shade similar to it. Honestly, you want to know what the funniest comments I get on my cartoon makeup looks is people saying, she didn't wear makeup like that, she didn't do this. It's just like, you know what's funny about that is it's a cartoon. Like, you use your imagination on how you want to do their makeup. I just think it's funny when there are some people out there that think that a cartoon has to have a certain makeup style. No, it's whatever you feel like you need to. Like the latest comment, I had someone saying like that it was a joke for me to do a makeup tutorial for cartoon characters, but at the same time, why are you looking it up? And to begin with, I find that really funny. I just thought I would let you guys in on that funny comment that I got. I am touching up on that crease as it looks like we lost some shadow there. Now for the inner corner, I'm going to take the color called Silver Crystal, and we're going to pop that right on the inner corner of the eyes. This is my favorite palette right now. I love it. When I went to Disney, I took this palette with me because I just felt like the colors are so Disney. But it's a Sailor Moon palette, so props to Sailor Moon for making such an amazing palette. Well, ColourPop, not Sailor Moon, but the idea, you know what I mean? Look at that, that's so pretty. Now that we have that inner corner, we can move on. For my eyebrows, I've been using, for my eyebrows and also lashes, this imethod Beauty Eyelash and Eyebrow Enhancing Serum. It's really cool. I love this stuff. It genuinely works. Like, your eyelashes do grow when you run this along. I am going to be putting mascara on here in a bit, but I just want to show you real quick. You just put it like gently along the line. This is what I do at night, and sometimes I leave it in on my lashes too, but don't get it in your eye. It's not safe to do that. And then also it comes with a little comb, and you could just brush your eyebrow hairs. And if you're someone who suffers from slow eyebrow growth, then something like this really works magic. It definitely works a lot on the lashes. My eyelashes have grown so much, and I haven't been wearing falsies that much lately. But yeah, another product they have is this right here, which is the Stamp Eyeliner. So it's from imethod Beauty. I love Stamp eyeliners. I know a lot of people are skeptical of them, but for me they work good. So we are gonna go right in with the left eye, and it's labeled Stamp and then eyeliner. So I'm just gonna do a small stamp because she doesn't really have a really dramatic wing. So see how it kind of just does it for you. And how I do is I go a little bit above the wing and just from there work my way. So that worked like a dream. I love the stamps. They have saved my life. Not gonna lie. Okay, now for the right one. Same thing. And that's how you get your perfect little wing. I might extend the wings out just a little bit more after the lashes, but I'm thinking of doing white eyeliner because Amy Adams, she has this very, what's the word? She has this animated effect to her eyes. You don't have to do this, but I want to put white eyeliner. So I'm going to take these Boudoir lashes. They're from Kiss Lashes. They're really good. So it looks like the eyelashes are still getting tacky, so I'm just going to take this pink blush right here from the Gorgeous Cosmetics palette. This is like the only blush palette I have, and the only one that I truly like, so I'm sorry if I use it all the time. And I am just going to place this. I always go over dramatic for princess looks because, especially if you are doing this for Halloween or any event, you want your blush to stand out because it's almost like theater makeup. I study the makeup from the girls who work at Disney, and they all do lots of blush, and it works in their favor because it makes their face look very animated and like they're happy and blushing all the time. Okay, so I'm gonna go back, but these lashes are more than tacky now, so let's place these. Look at how animated my eyes look now. It just takes it up a whole other notch. Now I am going to go in there in a little bit to extend the wing and also brush over the glue. But I'm going to finish up my face here. More blush to this cheek because I felt like I missed some. And what I like to do, which is completely unnecessary, is I take a little bit of highlight on my nose. You can keep this look matte, but I do this for most of my princess looks because it adds like an extra type of magic to the look. I can't explain. Oof. So it looks like that glue is still drying, so I am going to go in with the lips now. I'm going to line my lips with FOXYBAE by Kylie Cosmetics. Then I'm going to take this shade by Live Glam. It's so pretty, look at the packaging, called Happy Hour. This is the perfect shade. And that is the perfect liquid lip. Now I'm just going to do what I said I was going to do, which is go over the lash band. And that is it for my Giselle transformation look, you guys. I'm not too crazy about this wig. I got it off of a whim and I thought it would work better, but apparently it doesn't. But anyways, I got the dress, the flowers, and the makeup, and that's all that matters. So I will see you guys in my next transformation video. Bye, guys.